Today we are going to be talking about GFCIs. What is a GFCI and why is it important? Stay tuned. You don't want to miss something I'm going to tell you about how you can protect your family and your greatest investment, your home. Welcome to another edition of Tony's Tips. My name is Tony Stillwell, your residential real estate resource. So GFCIs, what are they? They stand for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. And you've probably seen these in your kitchen or in your bathroom and probably on the exterior of your home as well. Basically anywhere there may be water, you'll find one of these. And to give us more information about GFCIs, I have Harold Mines with us today. How you doing, Harold?
Good, Tony.
Thank you for stopping by. Harold is with LCN Electric, and he is a licensed electrician. So these crazy looking devices called GFCIs,
Right.
Why are they so important?
Well, Tony, anytime you have water in a house or area that's wet, that GFCI will actually break the current between you and the electric, and it'll keep you from getting a tingle or a shock.
Okay,
So,
or something worse, right?
yes.
Okay, so they're important to have in your kitchen. Where should you have these?
Best places to have them, you see them most of the time in your kitchen, your bathrooms, any damp locations, garages, crawl spaces, outdoors, anywhere there's water.
Okay, anywhere there's water. Now, Harold, these devices, I mean, do you need to have them, will you find them in your kitchens? I mean, if they're not in an outlet like this here, can they be in the breaker box?
Yes, you can go to your breaker panel and you can open it up and it'll actually be labeled. It'll say a GFCI breaker.
Okay.
And what you need to do is got a test button on it.
Okay.
You can push that test button and you can go back and check the receptacles, whether it's in your bathroom, outside, in the kitchen, and just to make sure that breaker is actually covering the circuits where you want them to be covered.
Okay.
If you don't see a receptacle.
Awesome. Okay. Well, thank you for coming out today. If one of our viewers out there would like to get in touch with you, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Well, they could call me at 304-539-0928, or they could send me an email asking me questions at hfmines, M-Y-N-E-S, at frontier.com.
Great.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Harold. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of Tony's Tips. I hope this information today was helpful for you. And I really want to encourage you that if you have any electrical work that needs done at your home, that you hire a licensed electrician like Harold to do the work for you.
Watch for more Tony's Tips on tonystillwell.biz and follow Tony Stillwell on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.